Welcome back, guys. Another video here on a Kenwood double din. Model number will be in the description, but I'll put it like somewhere right here in the video for you guys. It is, let me try to read it backwards, ddx371. This is going to be the startup screen, iPod, disc, Bluetooth, Pandora tuner, Sirius XM, it's set up. There's the radio. It does change button colors. It's just on the demo mode right now. Go into the setup, see what kind of settings we got. Equalizer, loudness, just your basic stuff. Display. Got your dimmer, turn that off. See if we can, yep, you can add your own image. Change the color of your buttons. We'll do green. I don't have any, just that. Huh. Okay. Back to menu. Pandora. But yeah, this is, like I said, it's a decent double din. Not sure if it has the 4-volt pre-outs, but the next Pioneer that I'll be showing you guys, I'll walk you over here and show it to you for a little teaser. Watch this video. This is the AVH-X 3600 BHS. This one has 4-volt pre-outs, so stay tuned for that video. And thanks for watching.
At me.